Please subscribe my channel The Craft Universe and press the bell icon to see the latest videos I upload.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Craft Universe. So today we are going to make a rainbow loom bracelet. So let's get started. So first we'll take the red one and put it in our fingers. Then we'll take the orange one and we will follow it in a rainbow color format. Then we will put the red band in between our two fingers and we will continue till the time we will make the whole band. So finally our loom band is ready. We will take a hook and put the loom band in one side of the hook. We will do the same with the other side. So now our loom band is ready. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.